Hi guys! Today we're making slime! So the ingredients we'll need slime glue, some slime activator, some baking soda, and some colored ink, a popsicle stick for mixing, and some glitter. Just put a few glitter, and we need 1 spoon, and last of all, we need some glow in the dark powder. Let's begin. Okay, first, let's pour the slime glue. All of it. Now, we'll put the ink. 1, 2. Okay? Okay. Okay. Be careful. Go. Okay, let's pour it. Baking soda. Okay, now let's put some slime activator. It makes a funny sound, right, Matt? Okay, now let's mix. Yeah. Mine's feeling gooey already. Wow. Matt, keep on mixing. Whoa. You keep mixing until it gets thicker and the slime. Now, after that, you have to roll it, needling it, and use it with your hand. Now, let's touch the slime. Yeah. Yeah. It's definitely perfect. Thanks guys for watching my video. Click on the like button and subscribe for more videos. Bye! Boom!